Everyone, today's video I'm going to show you how to download Capcut onto Windows 11. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and head to www.capcut.com. This is where you're download the program at, and once you get there, you want to hit this bottom right button, download for Windows. Once you click that, it'll take you to this screen, and then it'll download up here. After that, you want to get to your downloads folder, which you can press right here. And if it's not there, you can press Control J on the keyboard and it'll pop up right here. So after that, you want to drag it down to your desktop. And once you're there, you're going to want to click it, double click it. This warning's going to pop up. You'll want to go ahead and press yes. And then after that, CapCut will start installing onto your computer. So once it's done installing, it'll ask you which language. So speak English. So I'm gonna English, and then go down here, press the blue save button, and then it start loading. After it's that, it's gonna tell you how your computer can run CapCut. Your computer shouldn't have a problem with it. After that, press confirm. And then after that, you'll be inside CapCut. If you have a Capcut account, you can go ahead and click up here, sign in. You'll be all good to go. To make a new project, you just press this new project button, the big one with the multicolors. And you'll be in here, and then you'll be ready to start making videos.